Shri Vyomesh Bakhai, born to a religious and traditional Mod Banya family, was initially initiated with the connection to divine energies, Brahmagyan, at the age of 7 by Param Pujya Maharishi, Shri Mathureshwarji of Vaishnav Pushtimarga Sampradaya. Being brought up in Gujarati Hindu family, studying in Christian convent school, and born in Aden, a Muslim and Jew-dominated country in those days, he had understood that all the cultures and religions ultimately leads to spirituality, which leads to consciousness of oneness with divinity, which is known as Paramatma, Ishwar, Father, God, Allah, or higher energies. It's just like staircase, leading to corridor, leading to the entrance of any premises. All religions are ultimately purifying our virtues, characteristics, or spirit, which will ultimately transgress us towards merger with oneness. On fulfilling his plans to pursue higher education in India, he joined his father's business and ultimately many successful businesses with his associates. While simultaneously trying to settle down in England, he realized that there were deeper, meaningful reasons for him to stay back in India. The real purpose of his taking birth was revealed on his coming back to India. Being gripped with health issues due to excessive business commitments was when his journey as a healer started. While on that path, consequently, he understood his life's purpose. While in the process of healing and energizing anyone and everyone for free of charge, he happened to meet many enlightened masters, whether living or not in human body, who used him as a medium to heal, internally as well as externally. His body and energies were also used to reach many people, not only in India but abroad as well. At such a juncture, the deeper purpose was revealed, that he was to lead and guide people towards peace, love, harmony, spirituality and thus divinity.
हमने वृद्धाश्रम का गए थे वहाँ पे आशा किरण में, तो हमको जितनी ओल्ड वुमेन्स थी और मेंस थे उनको हमने एंटरटेन किया, डांस प्रोग्राम किया और संगीत, ये रीटा जी के भजन थे वो सुनाए उनको।
वहाँ हमने देखा कि लोग जब एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम हमारा चल रहा था, म्यूजिक चल रहा था, तो लोग सूद बूद भूल कर खुद इतने गाने लगे कि उनको ये नहीं रहा कि उनको खाने का टाइम हो गया है, लंच का टाइम, वो गाते गाते जा रहे थे। और ये देख के हमारा वो प्रोग्राम इतना देर तक चला कि उनकी खुशी देख के हम खुश हुए।
His basic principle of being easily socially approachable, healing or energizing people, serving selflessly and fruitlessly anyone and everyone, irrespective of any caste, creed, class, age and sex, has been very satisfying to all walks of human life of today's time and space. His ability to understand the energy levels, simplicity and skill to explain, talking in layman's language, endlessly selfless approach, humbleness to all, contentment towards life, joyful, loving and kind nature, treating everyone with equality, straightfulness and truthfulness to all, blissful attitude has brought to many divine prosperity, the present state of mind, good health, inner peace, joyfulness, acceptance, faith, trust and surrenderness towards divine energies.
स्वास्थ्य में जैसे हमने ये रोड पे जाके जो बच्चे पढ़ते हैं उनको अपने बर्थडे का सेलिब्रेशन उनके साथ किया, फिर उनको कभी कभी बुक्स बांटी है, फिर बुक्स, पेन, नाश्ता और बैग्स, उनको स्कूल बैग्स दिए हैं।
वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ कम्युनिटी फ्रिज और अलग अलग जगह पे हम लोग वो सब रखने वाले हैं, जैसे करके जिसको भी लेना है दे कैन टेक द फूड, स्पेशली पुअर चिल्ड्रन एंड पीपल हु आर सफरिंग, they can take the food and they can go away and there is nobody's ego is there that हमने रखा या नहीं।
His talks on prosperity and spiritual energies has been very well accepted and benefited to all generations, ages and numbers. His purpose of dedicating his life for setting up a unique Sevashram or spiritual spa for everyone, where different energy bodies will be regenerated so that human mind transgresses towards divine consciousness, has been acclaimed by higher galactic world and energies. He is a simple, loving, kind Das, the surrendered of all who is surrendered to the divinity. Shri Vyomeshji Bakhai.